Welcome back, everyone. 9:47 right now. And as you are preparing for your next interview or a night out on the town, doesn't really matter. It's important to put on a winning smile. Joining us this morning with whitening and fresh breath tips, our old friend, Dr. Jennifer Jablow of Park 56 Dental Group. When I say old friend, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
You've
you
been
don't
here
need
before.
old. Thank you,
You've
Phil.
been here before. I would never. It's a pleasure to have you back.
Thanks for having me.
You know, so many people, and there's kind of, we have a different angle when we're talking to you this time, because so many people are going on job interviews now, and it's so important. And any little leg up they can get, they can. And you're saying that a white smile really...
A white smile shows energy, it shows vibrance, it shows youth, and it shows that you're taking care of yourself, too. And especially right now with the job market being so competitive, people are going in for plastic surgery right now to make themselves competitive with the younger people that they're competing with for the job.
Yeah, we've done stories on that, and plastic surgery is expensive.
Very.
This is a much less expensive way to kind of...
Absolutely.
Brighten yourself up,
brighten yourself up, make yourself look 10 years younger.
You brought some products that you like.
Yes. Well,
the first one we'll get out of the way right away because it's a product you created. Then we'll get to the other ones.
Okay. This is a product I created. This is called intelliWHITE. This is actually launching this week, and this is a very easy system because it's just a piece of foam that I patented, and it goes under the lip, and then you just paint. It's a brush-on technology, so you just paint it on. But because the foam is under your lip and it retracts the lip is not pushing the peroxide off of it, and you're not getting anything on your gum tissue. There's no excess salivation, and it's really simple, and you see results in like 3 days.
We're going to talk about a price as well. What does the price go for?
This is going to retail for about $59.
Okay, and it'll last you how long?
This will last for about 2 weeks.
Okay. So, you know, relatively expensive, but not compared to...
Not compared to going to the office, which is about 10 times as much.
Okay. So what are some of the other products you bring? You like some of the Crest products, I guess?
The white strips are, you know, the other companies make the white strips as well. The white strips are good because they create a barrier when you're putting them on your teeth. So that's the advantage, that you're not really ingesting any peroxide, as opposed to the messy trays where it's spilling over and you're ingesting the peroxide and it's getting on your gum tissue. The only downside with the white strips is that you can't really target just one tooth at a time. It really only whitens the front 6 teeth. But it's the best of what's on the market over the counter in the drugstores.
Okay. And in terms of toothbrush, you really like an electric toothbrush.
I bring this probably back every time that I come, but I really have a deep belief in the sonic cleaning of the toothbrush because it breaks up the excess plaque. So it's creating a lot of healthy environment in your mouth, and it's also helping with fresh breath, and it's also removing stains in your mouth.
Okay. And I got to give it to you because I always like that when the dentist shows me, even when, show me, you're supposed to, with this, you're just supposed to touch, you're not supposed to...
let it glide along, okay? So
but you can actually move it. You don't have to just go from one...
You can actually move it, but you're not moving it like a manual toothbrush because this is moving so much than manual toothbrush anyway, and that's the idea. The sonic waves are actually breaking up the plaque, so you just kind of let it glide along, and you want to split it into quarters. You want to do it for 2 minutes, so it's 30 seconds on the top quarter. A lot of them have timers, right? Exactly, exactly.
I always feel like a kid when in the presence of any dentist and they show me how to do that. It's always back to a 5-year-old again.
It's great. It's a lazy person's toothbrush.
Yeah, but and also it's a really good tool, you say.
100%.
Okay. In terms of fresh breath, a lot of people will eat a lot of mint, chew a lot of minty gum. That really is a quick fix.
That's a quick fix, and it's a cover-up. And obviously, nothing beats, even if you're not working right now, do not cheap out and not go for your cleaning twice a year, because that plaque and tartar is what really causes that foul-smelling odor when people have bad breath. It's actually the sulfur compounds from the bacteria.
So there's no replacement for a good cleaning.
There's absolutely no replacement for that.
Okay, but...
Now we're talking about the upkeep, and we're talking about an alcohol-free mouthwash, because you don't want to use any mouthwash that has alcohol. I like the Crest without the alcohol. I like the Natural Dentist without the alcohol, because it doesn't dry out the mouth. Because if you're going to use a mouthwash with alcohol, you're going to get a rebound bad breath. It's just going to mask it really quickly, but then your mouth is going to be dry, and you're going to get bad breath again.
And the no alcohol is important.
It's pretty important,
in the mouthwash?
Yes, very important, actually. And also floss is extremely important. Getting into those crevices in the gum and getting out the bacteria that you're leaving behind, even with the sonic toothbrush. You're not going to be able to remove the plaque without flossing.
All right. Jennifer Jablow, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure to have you come in. Look at the smile. That's, proof positive. All right. We put a link to these tips and to Dr. Jablow's website on our website, which is 7online.com. Click on the See It on TV link in the upper right-hand side of the page, and you will be one step closer to a beautiful smile. Look, even the Mona Lisa's doing it. That's fantastic. I love it. We'll be right back with a look at this morning's top story. Stay with us.